Hello everybody. Today in this video we're going to look at how to install ZoneAlarm Firewall for Windows. I have already downloaded the installer. I will include the link to download in the description of this video. What you see on the screen here is the free ZoneAlarm software installation. I'm just going to click on quick install. Scroll down to agree, and there you go. It started the installation. It's gonna probably go through the progress bar. I'm just gonna pause the video. There it goes. It's downloading all the components. The download's almost finished and it's installing the software. The installation is completed. Started configuring. I will pause the video. Finally, it's completed. It's asking for an optional email address. I'm just going to ignore that. And then it's brought up the ZoneAlarm page. Yep, so you can close that, or if you're interested you can go through it. We're currently on the status screen. It's showing the status of the firewall. It says it's protected. Identity and data is also protected. We can have a look at what's going on, more information. So the basic firewall is turned on. Zero access attempt blocked, which means it hasn't blocked anything so far. Let me try and open Chrome. Any new program I try to launch, it should show you a notification whether it's blocked or not. Similarly, application control, here it shows what programs are allowed and what's blocked. All the question marks mean that it hasn't made a decision yet. All the green ones, the ones with green ticks, means it's allowed them. So if I want to stop something from contacting the internet, like TeamViewer, I could just go block. I could just remove it from here, or yeah, I could go deny, and then it'll get denied. Very straightforward. I'm going to switch it back to allow, because I use TeamViewer outbound as well, and inbound trusted and inbound internet. Oops, did the wrong one. There you go. Click OK. And that's basic firewall. So if we go back to firewall again, yeah, sorry, that's application control. There's an option to install antivirus. I'm not going to do that at the moment, or let's do it. Installing, preparing to download. So it's going to go through the same sequence of downloading, installing, and configuring. So I'll just pause the video and we'll have a look when it's all done. It finally finished downloading, and now it's got this message about security check. I'm just gonna go yes. It's installing, and I will, well, it's probably done. There we go, the three pretty ladies. Perfect. Protected. You can go in and look at the settings if you like, but I'm not going to spend any more time on this video. Yeah, let me know what you think, and if this helped you, leave me a comment. Thank you. Bye.